In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut for Valorant. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any Windows version. And I will point out that I don't have Valorant on my computer, but I will show you the process on League of Legends. That is the exact process on Valorant. What I need to do is click right here on your Windows search bar and search Valorant. I will show on League of Legends, so search Valorant right here. Click with the right button and click on the second option, open file location. You will come to Riot Games, okay, and here you will see the Valorant shortcut. Just click with the right button, click right here on copy below cut. Then you come on the local that you want to paste your shortcut and paste just pressing Ctrl and V, okay, at the same time. And you will paste the Valorant shortcut. You can also make this process on your desktop or any folder, any page that you want. I hope I helped you how to make a Valorant shortcut. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.